My name is Rachel Catherine, and welcome to RC Summer. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to RC Summer number 2. I'm currently at home, chilling like a villain. Does anyone still say that? Probably not. But Giorgio and I are gonna go get some dessert. I'm also marinating right now in a tan. George's already tan, but I'm marinating. So we're going through the drive-thru. Gonna get some McFlurries, I think. Do you reckon McFlurries?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. What's your... Excuse me.
Oh.
Bye. Bye. How was your night?
It was good.
Are you going out again?
I mean, maybe.
Crazy. It's 8:42 and we're going on the biggest adventure of our lives.
We're at the camera.
Oh.
You can't say a single thing.
Reminiscing just the other day.
Skirt,
Skirty skirt.
I love houses where you can see into their lounge room and see the Christmas tree up.
I love seeing into people's houses.
Is that creepy? It's holy ground.
Crazy teens, crazy times.
Rude, race him. You're gonna beat him.
I will.
Yeah, you will.
I'm so scared, Georgia. I want to win.
Skirt, skirt!
Oh, they won, they won, they won!
No! You're so precious when you smile. I just had to let you know you're mine. Away with me, you're girl, anything I can do just to make you feel alright. Oh, even when it's raining, all you ever do is shine. You on fire.
Come on, shake, 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 shake it. I got the magic in me. What's the bet we go and they say the ice cream machine's broken?
I will cry, and then we'll go home, Jax.
Dude, I'm scared.
This is my favorite skirt corner.
I've never done this. I've never done
Chill,
this.
chill, chill, chill.
Skirt. Everyone's getting to macaroonies. How do I get there?
Down the back.
I hate drive-thrus, Georgia. I hate it.
Do you want me to talk?
No, I can do it. I can.
Okay. I'll have an Oreo one, please.
Oreo.
You can do it. I believe in you.
Where do I stop? Where do I stop? Hi, can we just get an Oreo McFlurry and an M&M McFlurry?
Drive on through.
No, don't you dare. Don't you
Stop your driving. Executed perfectly. From the drive-through queen.
Thanks so much.
It's really great.
Thank you so much. This is why. Oh, sorry. This is why I freaking don't go through these things. That was the most stressful thing I've ever gone through in my entire 24 hours. It squeaked and then I wasn't far enough along the thing and then the freaking ran over 2 people almost because I didn't see the pedestrian crossing because I was crying. What?
You do ever me.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off now. Hello my friends, today is Sunday and today is a very, very exciting day. Basically, Giorgio and I are taking our friend Julia on a birthday trip and there are a few surprises that she has no idea about. This little trip is going to be broken up into 3 vlogs, I think. So I'm going to do the preparation vlog, which is this one here. I'm going to do the surprise vlog where you guys find out exactly what the surprise is along with the other people who are getting surprised. And finally, we'll actually have the vlog of the trip, which may be more than one video, depending on how much footage I get. But those are the 3 parts to this vlog. So RC Summer is really starting off with a bang. But like I said, this vlog is the preparation vlog. So I'm about to write a list of all the things I need to do before we leave. The time is currently 6:48 a.m. and we will probably leave here around lunchtime, I'm assuming. But there are a bunch of things we still have to do. I need to write a list because otherwise I'm just gonna get overwhelmed, which is how I'm feeling right now. So I need to pack. Obviously, I need to clean the house, or like my part of the house, like my rooms. Today is also the day that we have to drop off our foster care kids' presents to the church because they're getting picked up by the foster system to give to the kids, which is so exciting, but I need to go drop them off at the church. I also kind of want to get some snacks, if possible, for the little road trip. I think that might be it. Packing is going to take a while. That's the issue I'm having. We'll see how that goes. I think I might go and pack my toiletries first. So the other day at Kmart, I bought some little like travel bottles because I'm also going on a trip later this month. So I thought I may as well get those and use them now and later. Where did I put them though? That's the issue. My room's a little bit of a mess right now. So some little bottles, some more little bottles. So let's go fill these babies up. Welcome to the squad bathroom. It's not exciting, but it's very echoey, so I apologize. But I need to pack my toiletries, so we don't have a choice, guys. Okay, so I'm going to need lotion, face wash, a razor, conditioner, and shampoo. That is what I need. I feel like a scientist doing this. I love it. That's so satisfying. You cannot tell me that's not satisfying. Oh, what was that noise? I don't know. I don't need to fill it up all the way, do I? Like, I'm not going to use that much. We're only going for a couple days. I honestly don't have a lot of conditioner left, so. Oh, I need to get some more conditioner. It'll definitely be enough for the trip away, though. It just looks like not a lot. This one is definitely not as satisfying. Guys, come on, get in the bottle. You have one job right now. Okay, I think that's as good as we're gonna get. This one will be so easy. And in the last bottle I have, I think I need to put body wash. It's pink. I love pink. That was definitely the easiest one ever. All right, so the mini bottles are done. They're all different colors. That's so exciting. I have my toiletry bag. It's from England when my parents went over to visit without me, but they brought it back as a souvenir. So I appreciate that. I also need my toothbrush. Obviously, I also need my toothpaste. So I'll put my razor in there, my face wash. Gonna take some pads just in case. Some hair ties. A necessity. I think that's it for in here, so we better go pack my clothes and stuff. So let's get out all over there. So change of plan. I think I'm going to do my makeup next, and I'm going to pack my makeup as I use it, so I know exactly what I need and I know that I haven't forgotten anything. So let's do that. I think I might do this off camera though, because it'll take a long time. Well, not a long time, but like a lot of footage, and it's not that interesting. I finished packing my makeup. I fit it all, including brushes, in this little thing here. I just couldn't fit this in, so that's really good. But it's been like 40 minutes and I've literally packed my toiletries and my makeup, and I need to get a wriggle on, so I'm gonna try and wriggle on. What am I? I need to hurry up. I need to speed the. I need to hurry up. I need to just get a move on. I need to pack my clothes. So obviously I'm wearing this outfit. We're gone today, tomorrow, and Tuesday, and we come home Tuesday. So I really don't need a lot. I think I'm gonna try and take a really small bag. This one. We'll see how we go. So that's all like the clothing sorted. As for shoes, I'll take. I have my white slides, which go with everything. I also just got a crew neck sweater, just in case. I'll bring a pair of Vans, and I want to bring one workout outfit. Okay, I just went and got my runners because I do really want to go for some beach runs. I'll see if that actually happens, but that's the plan. And I also got my swimmers, 2 workout outfits, and some socks. So I'm gonna try and start packing this into my bag. I said I wasn't gonna overpack, and I hope I'm not. So little detour from the whole packing situation. Georgia and I are going to Kmart to pick up some more like last minute foster kid presents, and then we're going to drop them off at church. But that's pretty much the plan. So welcome to Kmart. Honestly, when we were kids, these sort of toys just did not exist. These are incredible.
I am just blown away.
So am I. Look, they have a little like hair salon chair, and look, you can get, this is literally called Pet Ferret Set, or you could get a Pet Turtle Set, and it comes with formula to make food. I'm just so confused by this situation. We're looking for unicorns and fairies for a 5-year-old at the moment. Just usual Sunday morning. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow, that was my dream as a child, like a genuine dream. They're so cute. All the wooden toys are my favorite. I told my boyfriend that this is the kind of stuff our kids will have. I will not let them have plastic grossness. Wow, I want a child now. Salad kit, a wooden salad kit. Hey guys, what's up? We're in Coles. We just came here to get some snacks for like the road trip and just to have with us when we get to where we're going. I haven't told them where we're going yet.
I haven't either.
We were literally standing here in the middle of the aisle in Coles watching grocery hauls and videos to see what she liked and snacks and stuff. We picked up some snacks for Julia, her favorite things. We got some TV snacks that she loves and some Oreos. We have some veggie chips, some of this, some of this, some of this. Hello, yes, we are Santa, here to deliver all the presents. You get a gift, you get a gift, you get a gift, you get a gift, you all get a gift. So I'm home now. I have finished packing, I think. I think I've got everything except for like my phone charger and phone and camera that I'm vlogging on right now. Giorgio's making some lunch. Skay's just chilling on the couch. I fit pretty much everything into this bag, which is really good because it's not actually that big. And then I just have my towels and my hat there, which I'm not gonna go in there. We have our snack and another snack. But now I think all I have to do before I leave, like the last thing I need to do to prep, is to clean my rooms. I just have to put away all of my washed clothes, but I just really don't want to. And my room, like my bedroom, is really messy, so I need to clean that ASAP-a-rooney. So let's get that done. I'm gonna try and film it because it makes me clean faster because I don't want to get distracted because it makes more editing for me later on. So don't procrastinate now to make your job easier later, you know? So Giorgio and I are now in the car because we're about to head off for our road trip to go on our secret little getaway. I can't wait to share more with you guys, and obviously you'll see in further vlogs, but I hope you guys enjoyed the little preparation stage. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and also to keep up with what happens next. Like I said at the beginning of this vlog, this was the preparation, but next is the surprise, and I think that'll be the best one yet, but we'll see. I don't know, I haven't filmed it yet, so hopefully it's good. We're going on our way. Life is a highway, and we're gonna ride it all night long. Goodbye.
I just had to let you know you're mine.